In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily add Hijri Calendar as an alternate calendar to iPhone calendar application. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started. I'm gonna show you all the process from the beginning, and first off we need to head over to Settings. And on Settings we need to scroll down until we find Calendar. That's where we can easily find alternate calendars. By default, this option is always switched off. However, in here we can select one of these three alternate calendars. I'm gonna select Hijri. And then if we go back to Calendar app, we can check that now it shows us our main calendar and the Hijri calendar as an alternate at the same time. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.